Hi everyone. So I received a message the other day from a follower saying that Dr. Himani, that information that you're giving is very generic and is available online, like on Google. And like even if I've achieved what I've achieved or like what I talked about in the reel, but how is it approachable? How you can actually get this done? Basically a step-by-step guide, like how others can also learn from it and probably achieve what I have done. Introducing myself, hi, I'm Dr. Himani. I'm an associate dentist practicing in Delhi. So this video is in reference to the reel that I posted on Instagram. I'll pop this somewhere here. So basically this reel was all about how I was working as an associate dentist but getting 8,000 salary per month, and now how I've gone through that 8,000 to 50,000, like how like my journey have been. So started my career when I was in college. So I graduated from DY Patil Pune, and from then I came back to Delhi to my hometown and I joined a clinic as an associate dentist, and there I was getting 8,000 salary per month. It was a basic clinic with basic amenities, with basic patient flow. I was doing the basic kind of a work which is like scaling, fillings, initial anterior RCTs also I was doing, but yeah, it was like all clinical, nothing else. So I actually worked there for like 3 months, but it got monotonous, and I knew that all this that I'm doing here I've already learned and practiced in my internship. So I wanted to do more. I wanted to experience that part of dentistry which I haven't in my college. Basically the new age dentistry. No, life doesn't go as planned, and even though I planned that I would be working, I actually got influenced from the people or my family, or like you can say just the surroundings, that I shifted my focus from being a clinician to MDS. So I started studying for my NEET exam. I knew that I actually didn't want to study and I didn't want to pursue MDS, but just for the sake of that degree ka title, I thought ki let's do it now, because later it would get difficult for me to like take a degree and like go to college for 3 years. So yeah, after that, like I worked for 3 months to that clinic. I actually started studying for my NEET, and with that I actually got an job offer from a clinic which was like a startup, like a Clove. It's similar to Clove. There I had an opportunity to do a non-clinical job. So because I was studying for my NEET, I couldn't do a full-time clinical job in dentistry, so I opted for something which is non-clinical, which actually is a hybrid sort of a situation, and I could like study and work simultaneously and like earn a bit. So there I got an offer for 15,000. I was working there as an associate only, but I had to like visit the dental clinic like once or twice a week, and mostly it was work from home. Basically it was like sales and marketing. I had to shoot for their content. I had to like call their patients for like leads. So that sort of a work I was doing. But when like after I was done with my NEET, I joined that clinic full time as an associate dentist. So there I was doing clinical and non-clinical, both part of the work. But then that also got monotonous for me. Like I knew, because it was a new startup, there was no patient flow. Basically there was no one above me to guide. I wanted to work under someone because I wanted to learn. So I started searching for jobs. I knew that I am good at non-clinical part of things. Like I knew like it's made for me. I was good at social media, I was good at talking to people, so I was good at leads management, but I was always inclined towards clinical dentistry. So I knew that I had to practice under someone where I like get to experience the best of both worlds. So I searched for a list. I actually made a list of top 10 dental clinics in Delhi, and I actually applied to all 10 of them. Even if they had like no vacancy, I still reached out to them ki if they have like a vacancy in near future, I would love to apply. So for 2-3 months actually I was at home and not doing anything, but then I focused on learning, because at home I couldn't like practice clinical dentistry, right? So at that point of time I focused on learning the non-clinical part. Like I focused on how to like convert leads, talk to people, how to run Google ads, even though like I'm not actually doing Google ads right now, but I learned that at that point of time. And like Instagram, I focused on my Instagram, like making content. I actually learned editing at that point of time. So like I gathered some skills which eventually would help me in the non-clinical clinical sector of the dentistry. So because what I did in that span of 2-3 months that I was sitting home, I was actually able to crack one of the interviews for the job. I think I got selected, according to me, was because of the Instagram that I made, like my own account, and because I knew things more than just clinical dentistry. I think that is what made her select me. So like that was the nudge, like in the right direction, that I did something beyond just like the clinical dentistry, which actually made me have this kind of a job. So like this was my like journey in a nutshell. But so the first point here is to like have something other than clinical dentistry. Like clinical dentistry is not just enough, you have to have skills which is beyond that. Like even if it's like dental photography, social media marketing, like content creation, or like staff management, HR, like there are a lot of things. Like you have to have something in your resume other than just clinical dentistry. Yeah, clinical dentistry is a must, but you have to have like other things on top of that. So coming to the second point here, so investing is a really big thing. I started investing when I was in college. मेरे कॉलेज में मुझे 30 रुपये मिलते थे स्टाइपेंड दिन का, and I used to think यार 30 रुपये के लिए मैं सुबह 9 बजे क्यों उठूँ, like how does it matter, and like it's not even a big deal. 20 रुपये की तो कॉफ़ी आ जाती है दिन की. I thought is like every day that I'm earning 30 and I'm saving 30 from myself, like it's just 30 rupees, right? तो 60 रुपये दिन का, so like 60 rupees per day into 30, which is like around 1800 rupees. When I started was for 1750, and वो मेरी पहली सिप थी. हर महीने इतना amount I used to save every month in form of like mutual fund, which is like the SIP, which is like the fixed amount every month that goes out of your account. So I started with this, and now I have like 15,000 की SIP every month. तो it was not like कि एकदम से मैंने 15,000 पे जंप मार लिया. It started from a very initial 1700 रुपये महीने का, and now it has come down to 15,000. like छोटा छोटा करके like I'm saving up for my clinic, and like whenever I like have to buy something for like dentistry related which is like expensive, like loops is there and like other things, तो तब उसमें से मैं कुछ निकाल लेती हूँ like savings में से, and फिर वो खरीद लेती हूँ. But eventually it like goes into dentistry only. So yeah, that's like there. I think investing is a very big part, क्योंकि जितना भी you will earn ना, it will never be enough. जितना तुम कमाओगे तुम्हारे खर्चे उतने ही बढ़ते रहेंगे. So like you have to start investing somewhere. So the third point that I mentioned is to find a good setup. Like I am not saying that in a small setup you can't earn more. Of course you can. If you like know a really good dentistry, like clinical side of it, you can handle the whole clinic. Probably you'll get more than what I am getting right now. Like find a good clinic to practice in, because थोड़े बड़े setup में the margin is a little higher, so they'll probably be able to give you more and also appreciate जो आपके skill set है. तो like my point would be to choose the right clinic for you. Like if I think कि मुझे social media आता है तो मैं उस clinic में जाऊँगी जहाँ पे social media use होता है. तो like just find what is like best fit for you. इसमें कोई fixed formula नहीं है. You just have to know yourself and then have to know your own clinic. And the fourth point is like it happens a lot in Delhi, I know, the referral. So how the referral works is कि अगर मुझे पता है कि I am like good at social media, so probably there would be some leads that would be coming to me on my social media account, and of course there would be like some of my friends or some of my known people that I could convert them. Like if they want to get a treatment done, of course they can come to me, but I am not at that stage कि मेरे पास खुद का क्लिनिक है मैं उनका ट्रीटमेंट करूँ. बट इफ आई रेफर देम टू सम डेंटिस्ट, तो उनका भी फायदा हो रहा है, पेशेंट का भी फायदा हो रहा है, एंड उसमें मेरा क्या फायदा है, दैट आई गेट अ रेफरल अमाउंट इन बिटवीन. सो आई यूज टू डू दिस अ लॉट पहले स्टार्टिंग में, बट देन like because now I know a lot of dentists, so I know कि actually patient अगर मेरे कहने पे जा रहा है उस डेंटिस्ट के पास, तो द डेंटिस्ट नीड्स टू बी रियली गुड, बिकॉज देन दैट माई वर्ड वुड बी एट स्टेक. तो नाउ आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ डेंटिस्ट, सो आई जस्ट रिकमेंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, अकॉर्डिंग टू द बजट ऑफ द पेशेंट, कि वो कहाँ रहते हैं, लाइक एक्सेट्रा. सो एंड द फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज डूइंग सोशल मीडिया फॉर अदर पीपल. सो दिस हैपेंड इन माई केस. ऑफकोर्स इसके अलावा बहुत सारी 100 चीज़ें हो सकती है जिससे तुम पैसे कमा सकते हो या अपने आप को अपस्किल कर सकते हो या व्हाटएवर. बिकॉज आई लर्नड क्वाइट अ बिट अबाउट सोशल मीडिया, एंड मैं थोड़ा एडिटिंग कर लेती हूँ, and like I can make Canva पे post and stuff like that. So I started doing social media for the other clinics, like उनकी editing हो गई, उनके लिए कुछ post बना दिए, उनके लिए posters design कर दिए that they can actually promote or stuff like that. So because you're a dentist, you know how to make dental content. So like you can approach a dental clinic like if you're starting social media, if you want to start a social media, I can help you with that, because like I have some sort of an experience in that, and you can like approach and like earn like side by side. And this is not something, मतलब मेरे हिसाब से तो ये बिल्कुल वेस्ट नहीं है, because eventually when I have to open my own setup, I have to do all these things again for my own clinic. So ये मेरे experience में add ही हो रहा है. So yeah, that was all. I know it was like a little too much, but ये सब basically I try to explain everything, but I'll still get if you have some more doubts, but you can always reach me. This is my Instagram handle, and I'm like answering all the questions that like anyone who wants to ask.